Have you ever thought that there is only one ingredient that can change everything in your garden? For your plants to be stronger,
Wow.
greener, bloom longer, and produce much, much more than before. Today, I am going to tell you exactly the secret that few people talk about, and we all have that ingredient at home. Before I reveal what it's all about, subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and write to me in the comments which plant in your garden gives you the most fruit every year. The earth is alive. She breathes, nourishes the plants, and protects them from diseases. But over time, it loses nutrients and microorganisms that are crucial for the development of strong roots and healthy fruit. When you add just one natural ingredient to the soil, it is literally reborn. The plants start to grow faster, the leaves become dark green, and the fruits are bigger and sweeter. This ingredient restores soil structure, conserves moisture, attracts beneficial microorganisms, and naturally improves yield. It's chemical-free, it's not expensive, and best of all, you already have it at home. And now, as I promised, at the very end we reveal the secret. Add just 1 cup of yogurt to the soil before planting. Yogurt enriches the soil with beneficial bacteria, strengthens the roots, and encourages plants to bear abundantly and healthily throughout the season. Try it today and you will see the difference. Gardeners, share this video with your friends on social networks. Thank you.